Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches. And today I just got home and this was sitting on the front porch waiting for me and I am so excited. This is the Project Sweetwater box. It comes out once a quarter and it just arrived today. Okay, so if you've watched my channel for a while, you know that I get the quarterly subscription from Sweetwater. Price point on this, I think, is $39.95 and then $10 shipping. They do have an additional packet that you can order where you get more fabric in your bundle. I have not signed up for that, and currently there are no spots available for that. But keep an eye out if the Sweetwater fabric is something that you're into. They do have packets that have more fabric in them. So this comes out once a quarter. And it's always got some fun projects and some extra tape. Oops. Oh, that's right. We had the sneak peek last time. So the fabric in this one is called Shine, and it has these lovely kind of pastel bright fabrics. I was looking at it. I think this is the quilt pattern packet. I will get the link and I'll put it in the description. The quilt that I made, what was the name of that quilt? Charm Pack Cartwheels. Fat Quarter Shop has an entire fabric bundle that you can do, and it's all made out in these beautiful colors. So that's really fun. And then in our next box, we're going to get something called Threads, which looks like it's all black and white. I don't know that I've ever seen Sweetwater do all black and white. That's going to be a lot of fun too, you guys. Okay. So in our box, we have a charm pack of the Shine Light fabric, and I will go through and show you guys each and every one of these. And then we also got a dessert roll with a fabric. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 10 fabrics in here for the dessert roll. It's 5-inch strips that are going to be with the fabric of the same fabric line. And then our project, oh, you guys, this is so cute. Look at that. It is like the perfect spring. That just screams like, not screams. It says Easter without screaming Easter. I really love that. That is so super cute. And they even use the text prints in here. I know some people are kind of concerned and they don't really love the text prints, but they look great. I love text prints. Give me a quilt back with text print like any day of the week. That's one of my favorites, but this is super, super cute. And then they also have some other projects in here. It looks like we've got a pillow option as a second, and then some little tags, and maybe are those hot plate holders or maybe mug rugs. Let's see what we have. Doo, doo, doo. Okay, so we have our fabric to make the big project. So that's that's this one. So they made a recommendation on which solid to add to it. You're going to need 10 of the dessert roll strips, a yard of cream fabric, half a yard for border, and a third of a yard for binding. And then, of course, whatever your backing is going to be. The finish size is 46 by 46. And it looks like it's a pretty fun, straightforward little quilt. So this is going to be a fun one, you guys. And somebody was just talking to me about triangles. So we're going to make it fast and easy. I really like last time's project as well, but I did kind of cheat and use that AccuQuilt. Okay, so we have a ruffle pillow top instructions. So for that, we're going to want half a yard of fabric and another 5-inch by 40. So that could be our dessert roll. And then you need a pillow. So that's a half yard pillow in addition to one of your dessert roll strips. And then there's some gift tags. Those are cute. You know, you could even use this pattern, but in the Christmas fabrics to make some Christmas tags as well. That could be really fun. And what else? I think that's everything in this kit. Yeah. And I think this would make, so not only is this a really pretty little quilt, you could make a really cute springtime table runner out of that. That would be really easy to alter and another fun project to do. So, okay. Then also we got, they have been putting these threads tags in here, and they kind of tie to the project. So we have one that say, "You are my sunshine." So very fitting given this kind of grouping. Two of those actually. Dream bigs, and then two I love yous. Those are really cute. So these are easy to add to any of your projects. You could put it in the binding. You could probably find a way to put it into other areas. I like to put it just inside of like a purse or a bag, kind of like the back collar of a shirt would be. All right, so let me get you guys some close-ups of the fabric. So here is a close-up of the box for us. Isn't that the cutest little Sweetwater card that came in? And then that's going to be our next month, or our next box. That'll be in February, I think. Then we have our dessert roll and our easy peasy charm packs. And these are the thread labels. I just think that they're so, so cute. They come in this little envelope and we get 2 of each. And they match our project for the month, for the quarter. So that's all our tags. And then here is our pattern. And I think that that just looks so sweet. I don't know why I can't come up with another word. It doesn't remind me of food. It just looks sweet, like springtime sweet. And then we have this other project here, our labels and our pillows. Actually, did I see the project? Now I'm wondering. Yes, we got the Shine. These minis are great for mug rugs or simply hung in a child's room. Try making all 3 and framing for a wall gallery. And then we have our little tags, which I think would be really cute for Christmas, and our little pillow. This pillow is only a half-yard pillow, so that ought to be pretty easy to put together as well. So I'm excited to make that. I think that's going to be a really fun pattern. And then for our fabrics, so you know me, I have to open it up. I can't not. Plus, if I open it up, I kind of feel like I have to go ahead and make it because I can't stand to have it open in my craft room. So it kind of spurs me on. This is just a sticky lint roller. I like to kind of get some of the pinked edges off before I start flinging them all over my room. These aren't quite as bad as like a jelly roll, but jelly rolls, man. Okay, so a really cute little alphabet pattern here. B is for bird, H is for home, Q is for quilt. So we got a couple of that one. And this is going to be really hard to see on camera. I will see if I can get it for you on individual pictures at the end. It's like a white on white dot, but it also has hearts in it. And you can see it. It's actually the same pattern as this, but it's the white on white dot. How cute is that? And then we have some plus signs. There's 2 of those. And this is create your own sunshine. Create your own sunshine. Oh, and that's that same fabric again. So this is in more taupey with white. The other one was white on white and then white on multi. And a really cute little gingham. Oh, and the little birds. Those are fun. All right, and our alphabet's fit in that gray taupe. And this is a real, like, kind of lemony, buttery kind of color. And more sunshines. And I love all these birds in different ones. I don't know why, it just feels like a little bit springtime, a little bit Eastery, a little bit all the things. And then some flowers with the pink centers. Those are really small and dainty. Those are cute. And another gingham, a little bit more of our gold tone. And then our hearts on this same golden fabric. And little green flowers, green gingham. This has a lot of really great kind of background fabrics. They're not like stealing the show, if you will, but they're very cute. Now in the picture for the quilt kit, they used this as the border, I think. I wonder if we got I don't see that in the jelly roll, or the dessert roll rather. So maybe you have to buy that separate. I'll have to look at the pattern. And then a cute little stripe, that would make a fun binding. And some pink and white hearts. I feel like we've seen some of these designs before, maybe not on the same scale, maybe not the same color combinations. White background with the pink hearts. It just feels really sweet to me, guys. It feels perfect for a nursery, perfect for spring, anything that you wanted to do out for Easter, if you're making a wreath or Easter bunny kind of stuff. It's definitely a little bit more child driven, but it's really cute. I like that too. I like that too. And then another flower. I think I might have to order some of these. I really like these. The scale of them is just nice, so that if you make it into a block in the middle of a quilt, you still have, like, you still see the pattern. A lot of times if you get something that's a really large print, it's hard to see if your blocks get very small. So sometimes I like to keep an eye out for those really dainty ditzy prints, so you have options. Okay, so that's the fabrics in this line. I'm really excited to get to sew this one out. That's a wrap on the December Sweetwater Project subscription box. I hope you've enjoyed unboxing this one with me. I can't wait to sew this one out. I think it's going to be another fun project. I have not been the best at sewing out all the Sweetwater projects this year. I've got a couple backlogged, but my goal is to get some of these UFOs off of my list, and I will not start by adding a new one. So let's do this one first, and then we'll catch up on the rest. If you enjoy watching any of these unboxing videos or some of my other tutorials, please do hit that like and subscribe button. It does help me out a ton. And until then, I will see you guys next time. Okay, guys, I know. Imagine that. There's all the info I needed right there. So, welcome to Shine. The content of this box include 1 Shine dessert roll, 1 Shine charm pack, 6 Shine woven labels, and the pattern pack. Then there's also the Sweetwater Plus Club. So you get 3 half-yard cuts of Shine and 1 yard of cream. That option is, I think, $30 per quarter extra. And then they also have another subscription that they're adding on if you want a backing. So with the backing, you would get 3 yards of a backing fabric for another $67. So I typically just opt for the main body one, but I did see that they do have some of these additional kits available, and I misspoke earlier.